The processing takes much longer for me than for you. Why? Hello and thank you for asking me this question. I will now try to answer it. First of all, I use a recent and quite powerful PC and I cheat a bit. Indeed, I accelerate the video speed by 50% when I show you the render. Otherwise, I use Blender features to speed up rendering. Let's see how I do it. In this example, I rendered an image with a sample rate of 256 with a resolution of 100%. Let's see what happens if we reduce the sampling to 32. We go to a render time of over 1 minute to 15 seconds and lose quality. Now let's reduce the resolution of the image to 50%. We still gain in rendering time, but the resolution is 50% lower. What if we speed up the compute rather than lower the quality? Go to Preferences, activate Cuda and identify your graphics card. Change the device and cycles by selecting GPU compute. The rendering will now be calculated by your graphics card rather than by the CPU. We gain another 1 second. Now let's start again with the starting parameters and the relations with the rendering with Cuda. We gained almost 1 minute without losing quality. Thanks you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Other types of videos are available on my channel.